Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Putri Adelia, and in this video, I will present my research proposal with the title Improving Students' Ability in Writing Analytical Exposition Text Through Peer Feedback Strategy in Grade 11 Kemal Bayangkari Senior High School. First, background of the study. Writing is one of the most important but also the most difficult skills in learning English as foreign language. When students speak, listen, or read, they can practice through talking and media. But writing is different. In writing, students must make their own sentences, organize their ideas, and use correct grammar, vocabulary, and punctuation. In high school, students must learn to write many kinds of text. One of them is analytical exposition text. This kind of text asks students to give their opinion and support it with their reasons. Many students think this is hard. They don't know how to start, how to give strong arguments, or how to write in formal English. Some also feel nervous or not confident to write. So, to help students, this research uses peer feedback. In peer feedback, students give comments to their friends' writing, and then this can help them learn from each other, understand the structure better, and feel more confident. It also makes writing class more active and interesting. Next is problem statement. The problem statement is how can the use of peer feedback improve the student's ability in writing analytical exposition text in grade 11? And then research objectives. First is describe how peer feedback is applied in class. Measure improvement in students' writing, increase confidence and participation, and then promote student-centered learning. Literature review highlights. Writing is a hard skill for many students in learning English. It's not only about grammar or vocabulary, but also about organizing ideas and thinking clearly. Writing needs more time and practice than other skills like reading or speaking. In Indonesian high school, one of the most difficult writing tasks is making an analytical exposition text. This kind of text needs a strong opinion and good arguments to support it. Many researchers have found that students often have problems with this kind of writing. Nurul Latifah and Yusuf 2022 said that students have three big problems. They don't have enough ideas, they don't know how to make a good structure, and they feel afraid to or not too confident. And then Nurjana 2018 also found that students often make mistakes with grammar like passive voice and simple present tense, and they don't know how to give the strong arguments. To help this, some researchers suggest using peer feedback. Ruek 2022 said that peer feedback helps students focus more on content and structure, not only grammar. And then Octaviani et al. 2023 found that peer feedback also helps students become more motivated and open-minded. When students give comments to their friends, they also learn something new for their own writing. In short, many researchers agree that students need more help in writing analytical exposition text, and peer feedback is one good way to help students. Next is peer feedback. Peer feedback is a strategy where students give comments or suggestions on their friends' writing. It helps students to learn from each other and think more about their writing. This strategy also helps students improve their writing skills step by step. When they read their friends' text, they can see good examples or can find common mistakes. According to Shirvani and Tajadini, 2014, students who work in pairs give feedback can write longer and better text. And then, Bai and Lee, 2012, also found that regular feedback, including peer feedback, helps students revise and improve their writing over time. Next, research methodology. This type is classroom action research, and then the model that used is Chemist and McTaggart planning, acting, observing, and reflecting. The location is on Kamala Bayangkari Senior High School, the subject is grade 11 students. The data collection, we use writing text, observation, field notes, and questionnaire. And then for the data analysis is quantitative, using test scores using rubric, and qualitative using observations, note, field notes, then students' feedback. And then we combine numbers and reflections to evaluate improvement. And research procedure is cycle 1 and 2 steps. The cycle is planning, and then action. In action, we have teaching, writing and feedback, and then observation and reflections. And the success indicators is more than 75 students score, more than 75 in post-test, and then active participation and meaningful feedback, and increase student confidence and engagement. Conclusion is, peer feedback is a useful strategy to help students improve their writing, especially for analytical exposition text. This kind of text needs a clear opinion, strong arguments, and good structure. Many students have problems with grammar, vocabulary, and confidence. By giving and receiving comments from their classmates, students can learn how to organize their ideas better and make their writing clearer. They also become more active and feel less afraid more to write. This research shows that peer feedback does not only help with writing skills, but also build confidence and teamwork in class. When students learn together, they enjoy writing process more. As Root 2022 and Ottavini et al. 2023 explain, peer feedback helps students focus on meaning, become more independent, and improve step by step. With teacher guidance and practice, peer feedback can make writing class more effective and fun. Okay, that's all from my research proposal presentation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.